Let's start by downloading and installing our code editor. And to do that, we shall start by visiting the official site of CodeBlocks. This can be done using any web browser. So the official site is www.codeblocks.org. So running that brings you this. So on your left, you can see tabs like news, features, and there's a tab for downloads. So since you're interested in downloading, we shall click downloads and then download the binary release. So when you click there, it brings you the different binary releases, and we have those that are for Windows, Linux, and macOS. So depending on the operating system that you're using, you can pick any of these. Currently, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to select Windows and then click this latest one, which is 20.03 as of now. So I click on this one and then click on sourceforge.net to be my site where I'm going to download it from. So the download takes place after this has finished loading, and you can see my downloading has automatically started. So let us wait for it to finish, and then we shall do the installation after it is complete. Then double click on that setup that has been downloaded to start the install, and it then brings up this screen. Whatever comes here, simply click next, agree to that, click next, and then this is the destination where CodeBlocks is going to be installed. Simply click install so as to start the installation. This is going to do a file extraction till it is done, and simply click yes so that you can immediately run the CodeBlocks and click next here, then finish. So this is going to open for you CodeBlocks. Let me and you can see it. Let's click finish here. Then it's going to automatically start after the downloading. Okay, so on opening, this is what it brings you. This is the screen that is going to come. This screen has tabs like file, if you want to create a file, if you want to import a file. So Move Creating Projects is done here actually. Has other tabs like edit, search, looking for the projects, build, debug, like any other text editor. So we shall start by creating a new project. So to create a new project, simply come to this folder here and click create new project. Then choose console application, click on console application, and then click on go. Then definitely, since we are working with C, not C++, we shall choose this C here and then click next. Let's give our title for the project. Maybe we shall call it first project. And then click next, then finish the project. So under this project, it brings you, we have this screen that we shall be using for writing our code. And if you come to this first folder, which is the sources folder, it has a file called main.c. If I click on that, see it brings me my first code. Okay. It's under sources. So simply come, click this plus sign, and then you'll see main.c. When you click on main.c, you'll see your first code, which already has something like 2 header files. Don't mind this if you don't understand it. We shall understand it in our next videos. Then, and the basic code. So if you have this, if you want to run your code, simply move to this section where there is a green button and click run. And when you run it, it seems this project. So let's build the project, click yes. And then after that, we'll have in our CMD, hello world. So hello world is what has been printed. And this is coming from what we are telling the compiler